This is just a quick video to show you how to check your timing chain on a CRV 2007 onwards up to 2011, the 2.2 diesel CTDi engine. There is actually an inspection cover which I couldn't find any details on the internet about. It's just there. It allows you access to the cam chain tensioner, which is this fella. The chain on this one is extremely loose, so it is going to have to be done. To get access to this cover, there's just 3 10mm bolts. Obviously you'll need to take the wheel off. You can pull this plastic cover out the way just to get access to the 3 bolts. And when putting the cover back on, you're going to need some kind of sealant, instant gasket or a proper gasket from Honda if you prefer. So I hope that's been useful to somebody out there. I'll see you again. Cheers.